So welcome to tutorial 2. We are going to talk here about comments. And last time and before tutorial I said that you should, if you have any question, you should post in this Slack channel. Actually there was some problem and I just actually transferred to the Discord channel. So try to uh, join in the Discord channel below given in the links. So welcome to the tutorial 2. We are going to talk about comments. Now comments is something like we are commending each line of code, we are commending each part of the code. In a sense, we can just actually say that if we could define the word. So Python comments actually helps us to documentation. I'll talk about it. It's going to be a little harder for you if I just speak like that. So I gotta make it simple as I could. And every in Python comments means it's called non-executable lines. What do you mean with non-executable lines? I said that everything in a Python program is being run line by line, and we could just actually say we need some of the lines should not be executed. For that, it is called to for the non-executable lines are called the comments. So comments are started with this pound symbol hash. I don't know what is called there. Secondary. So you can give anything out here. Yeah, I said that if you are giving any characters, it should be in quotes, in single quotes or double quotes. But in comments, you can give it solely. You can just actually give it hello world here itself and actually add it as comment. It doesn't matter for the Python program if it is a string or not, because this is not executing. If it is executing, what you need quotes here. So this is not executable stated. Actually, last time I said that it is right. The Python program, Python interpreter goes line by line and check and run the program and check if there is an error, and it goes to the no error, then it goes to the next line and it goes like that. And if they see this symbol, they understand that it is a command and it should not do nothing after that and go to the next line if there is next line. Yeah, you can just actually add after the line also. If we give like print, like my name is scientist in a symbol scientist, you just actually add the comments here to say I am printing here. I am a scientist. I am a scientist. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say that you can just actually add. So when Python runs this one like this one, like it goes to left to right and down to bottom, and it sees the pound symbol here, or if you just actually see here, it stops it. I don't execute this one and come to this line and execute this one. If it comes here and say you see this symbol again, and it goes to the next line. If there is next line, it will execute. So don't talk about a lot of theories here. I gonna go straight into um, the practicals. So here, yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So I'm gonna write here. I'm gonna save it as tutorial 2 here in a separate folder. Yeah, save it. So last time we write a print statement code, so we can add a comment based on that. And you can just actually say this one, and this is a pound symbol here. We added the pound symbol here. I'm gonna add the comment here. This is the program to learn print function. Wow, that's amazing. And just actually write what is here happening here. Oh, my name is psychoscientist. Yeah, that's a great thing. And just actually don't want to mess things up here. I can just actually add here command. I am printing my name. What class print I am studying at high school. I can just actually say here my qualification. So this we're going to run here. This program is very pretty amazing. Yes, it is going to be right. See this one, my name is, and we don't see these things inside of it. And we don't want to give a course here. If we don't give here a course, you can just actually see one thing here. Just a minute, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, just run it. See, it says that it is an error. You forgot to press a comma or something. They could understand what actually the issue was, but I know what the issue. If we didn't give the codes here. So that's it for today. And you put all the comments in the Discord channel. Last time I said it was Slack, but we are going to change the Discord channel. Thank you.